Hey y'all, what is up? My name is Naylee, and if you are new around here, I am the face behind the classroom journey, and I'm sharing my teaching journey on YouTube. Today is a very special video and vlog because I'm about to head to my Meet the Teacher open house night, and I get to meet my kindergartners that I will be student teaching in the spring, and I'll be interning with this fall. So I'm so excited to go and meet them. I'm excited to get to talk to them, get to know their personalities, and also get to talk to my co-teacher and the teachers on my team so that I can kind of get a feel for what it's going to be like this year, and I'm just so excited, and this is definitely something I've been waiting for. Okay, so this is a little gift that I got my co-teacher. It just says, "Looking forward to a colorful school year," and this was a freebie off of TBT, and I just filled it with a few little knickknacks for her just to show my token of appreciation for her letting me intern and student teach in her class. And then I have a few little donations of supplies that my boyfriend and I had gotten a while back for a school drive, and we didn't end up getting it to the people, so I'm going to donate it to my class so that they can have some extra supplies. Now this over here is going to be my student teaching bag for this year. It says Teacher Life on it, and it has hand sanitizer and a few things already in here like pens, pencils, notebooks, my Lily Pulitzer calendar, and this little weekly planner I got from the Dollar Tree. I felt like this would just be easier to write down like daily things, and then my calendar could be for months and weeks in advance. And I just have some paper clips, and then all of my pens and stuff are in this little bag. I'll vlog while I'm there or anything because for privacy reasons I do not want to vlog or anything like that, but I will update you guys on how it went and how I'm feeling. But I'm also going to show you guys really quick what I prepared for Meet the Teacher to send to my co-teacher for her to give to all the parents and students to get to know me just a little bit better, and so that they will be aware that I will be student teaching in their classroom and that their child will have a student teacher in there in the spring, and that I'll be interning in the fall. So I'll be going on the first day of school, which is Monday and Wednesday, but I'm also volunteering to go on Tuesday because I actually don't have classes on Tuesday this semester. So just to give a little bit of more help for her and to get to meet my students, because in kindergarten, in my county at least, they stagger. So our students in kindergarten go like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of the first week of school. So that leaves, 6, 7, 8-ish kids per day. And so it's not making the day so overwhelming for them, and it gives us a little bit more time to have that one-on-one connection and interaction with them on the first day, just to be able to meet their needs, because most of these kids have never been anywhere before, so this is their first time in a classroom setting, and it's important to make sure that you're making those connections on the first week of school. All right, y'all, this is what I had came up with. I found this on a freebie on TPT. It already said Meet the Student Teacher, so it was perfect. I was scared that they weren't going to have any for just student teachers, but they did. This is just a little bit of info on me, and then some of my favorites down here, and then I just found this cute little quote to add at the bottom. This part had a contact information, and I don't really need to give my contact information out just yet, and we are using a new app in our county anyway, so they won't be contacting us on our personal phones. It'll be through an app. So I just covered it up by putting that little quote there, and my dog wants in my room. Hey Josie, Mom's gonna go meet her kids, okay? I'm gonna go meet my students. What do you think? What do you think about that? She's like, no, I'm your only kid. Say, you're my first kid. You're my first baby. Just a little outfit of the day. I decided to wear this dress. This dress is from Palmetto Moon. I got it in Charleston, South Carolina when I was there. Just wearing these little bangles. I honestly have no clue where they're from. My Apple Watch and my promise ring. And these earrings are from Amazon. So you can pretty much get this whole pack of various colors for like 10 bucks. So it's such a good deal. And my dog is at my feet playing with her toys. And as for my shoes, I am wearing these little monogrammed flip-flops. These are from Marley Lily, so you can get them and order them online. I'm sure they still have these, but I've had them for a few years. So this dress I actually just got a few weeks ago, so I know it's still available at Palmetto Moon, and I'm sure you can get it online too. There are two sessions for Meet the Teacher, one at 4 o'clock, one at 5 o'clock. It's almost 3 o'clock now, so I'm about to head over, just kind of get the feel for the classroom and the whole school. I have been in this school, it's it's a school in my county that I went to school in when I was in elementary school, so I'm familiar with the school in the area. And I think I went there one time when I was in Battle of the Books in elementary school. Let me know if that's still a thing. I don't know if it is, but yeah, I used to do that. So I think I went there one time to do like a competition, but other than that, I don't really know the school or anything like about how to like inside the school or like where things are. So she's definitely gonna show me around and like so I can get familiar with the area. So she's gonna meet me at the door, which I'm thankful for. I was like, do you mind? Because I didn't know where I was going. So I'm about to drive there now, but I'm gonna leave my camera here so that I'm not getting anyone in a video for privacy reasons, for personal reasons. I don't want anyone to feel obligated to do any of that. So I just will be mostly vlogging at home this fall, just for privacy reasons. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and head there now, and I will definitely update you guys when I get back. I'm so excited to meet my 17 kindergartners. I don't know if that number has changed, but that's what I last heard, that there were 17 of them. So I'm so excited to do my first Meet the Teacher. I mean, it's crazy to me that we're already at this point, but it is Thursday now, and our first day of school is on Monday, so it's not long at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go there now. I'm super excited, and I will catch up with you all later on. I wanted to quickly talk about my little lanyard. This is from an online shop. My aunt actually got it for me for Christmas. I'm not going to show my personal information on here, but this is what I will be using this year to have my information from my college at the elementary school I'm at, so that they know who I am and where I'm from. But anyways, I love cheetah. I love neutral color, so I thought this was perfect. Alright y'all, so I just got back and it was so awesome. There were 2 sessions, so they could choose which one to come to. I have 17 kinders. I met almost all of them. There were a few that weren't there, but I did get to talk to most all of them and their parents, and they seem so excited. I'm just excited for them. I got to talk to the team teachers that are going to be with me, and my co-teacher. She's amazing. I'm so excited for this year. She gave me like a little desk area that can be my like home base for the classroom, so I'm going to pull out my stuff from my old classroom and get it and put it together so I can put it on my desk on Monday. I'm going to get there on Monday, be there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, and so my kids stagger, so I'll get to meet them all and see their personalities next week. So anyways, it was amazing. It's about 6:15 now. I just got back, and I'm super excited for this year and just their personalities and to see them grow. So yeah, I'm excited. So if you don't already subscribe, make sure that you do so that you don't miss this future content that's coming out. Again, like I said, I probably won't be vlogging at all at school. It'll be a lot of home vlogging and informational videos here at home, because I just do not want to overstep any boundaries. So it'll be a lot of home stuff, but I will be sure to keep you guys updated on all this stuff. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you do, because I'll be posting pictures of me there. So make sure that you follow me over there. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this video up here, and I will see you on the next one.